Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 15-inch wide rake that this brand sent to me for this video, which is also 64 inches tall. So this thing is actually quite heavy, but that actually translates into good quality because you want something heavy, you want something kind of like firm and sturdy, something like it's gonna be a thing that you can manage with delicate grass or just like big bunch of grass that you want to just like kind of like take over and just make sure that you can manage everything with its like weeds or just like leaves or something like that. I do like how thing is right here. So you have the two sides. One is going to be for raking through everything, and the other one's going to be more for like delicates. One is going to be for like big pieces, and the other one's going to be for more delicate kind of like size. Right here on the side, you're also going to see that you can adjust it if you want, so you can change the angle a little. So I actually did it in the angle that I'm going to use because I'm going to do it right here. We just change all the grass right here in the entrance of my house, so I want to do it kind of like delicate. I don't want to rip over, but if that's what you want, you can do it with this one, which, by the way, it tells you how you need to kind of like do it and how you need to assemble, which is going to take you, I want to say probably it's going to take you about 10 minutes, no more than that. And then this right here is the one that you're going to adjust, and then this is going to be the one that you're going to put the two kind of like bolts over here. This is going to be your center handle, and this is going to be your grip, which has a really nice grip. With that being said, this thing, which is heavy, resistant, and also manage delicates and rips through everything, let's check it out. So this is kind of what I want to show you right now. So this is how big it is. You have your grip over here and your center grip, which is going to be where you're going to use it. I have the angle already set up, but you can change the angle. And the thing is, I do believe that you can grab it just like this and do it this at an angle all the way up, or you can actually do this and make it to be even if you want to kind of like go stronger. But with that being said, what this one's going to allow you to do is you're going to see this one in a little bit. This one, just check this out. This is so good. Just to make sure that you're taking care of all that dead grass, if you're mowing your grass or something like that, or all this dead leaves or things like that. Let me show you on a closer look. Check it out. I'm gonna go with the delicates right here. I'm not pressing or anything. I'm just doing this through my delicate new grass. So I just want to make sure that I'm not ripping it apart. And you can see how this one is taking over all that dead grass that I have for when I was mowing the grass. So that is really, really cool to have. And just make sure that you have all this and you can use it as a compost if you also want. So one more time, rip it apart or go with the delicate. You can do it all. This is going to be kind of like the good thing that I want to do for when I'm mowing my grass or have like dead leaves or dead kind of like roots or things like that. This one is gonna catch you covered. Is the one you want.